Hi, my name is Ahmad, Abu Samah. I've worked with Barclays in Western Australia, actually, in Perth. And what I do is I'm a senior consultant, and we do leadership consulting. Yeah, and now I'm currently in Singapore. I'm a wealth management consultant. I hold two masters, yeah, an MBA with University of Wales, and another one is University of Salford, Manchester. Despite having all these two masters, I believe that I need to learn about business in so-called streetwise. And when I found PIF Capital, I believe this is the one that I'm looking for, because after our COVID, we have so many challenges in terms of building businesses, and PIF Capital showed the way that which really interests me, and the interesting part is that I'm learning about IPO and how I can actually bring an idea to actually a full-blown successful business, hopefully one day. Oh, I have a friend a long time ago back in Polytechnic. He's now called Dr. Zul's Quran. And by chance we met, and then he said, "Hey, would you like to come here?" So he just brought me. And he doesn't have to actually convince me. He didn't actually. He just brought me here, and I listened to the talk, and I said, "Okay, fully convinced that this would be good for me." And then straight away I become a silver partner. Actually, people thought that starting a business is difficult, and it is actually, but there are ways to for us to actually succeed in business. And one of the things that I'm really interested in, which PIF Capital could actually assist me in, is the fundraising. So, and how actually the importance of belief in your product and services and have that valuation. And one thing takeaway is it's all about you. For my case, it's me. I determine the valuation of a company that I want to set up. Yeah. So that is one really big takeaway. It's like I'm telling myself that to all you guys, my fellow entrepreneur, because I've been seeing myself as entrepreneur since way back. I'm 53 now. Back then, 30 years ago, after national service, I always wanted to do something. And I believe now that whatever idea you have and whatever business you have now, if you want to expand and succeed, I think the best way is to be part of this community. And people say, which we always heard, that network is equal to net worth. So I hope you guys can join us, and we work together as a team, as a community, to make this community a better place to live, and then we can give back to the community more.